அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் சௌரியலட்சுமி. நான் 2ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கின்றேன். ரைம்ஸை பாடப் போகிறேன். Bluebird, bluebird, what do you see? Bluebird, bluebird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck. I see a yellow duck. Yellow duck, yellow duck, what do you see? Yellow duck, yellow duck, what do you see? I see a green frog. I see a green frog. Green frog, what do you see? Green frog, what do you see? I see a red fish. I see a red fish. Red fish, what do you see? Red fish, what do you see? I see a small boy. I see a small boy, what do you see? Small boy, what do you see? I see a blue bird. I see a yellow duck. I see a green frog. I see a red